What's up, Savage Airsoft fam? I got an airsoft gun. Let me make sure there's no BBs in there. No BBs. This is what it sounds like when you fire. Now, it does come with the scope, but I'm just going to leave it off because I kind of, because there's really no point of using the scope because you can't look through the scope, like look directly through the scope. So I'm just going to leave the scope off. It does have a little iron sight right here. So I'm just going to load this. It takes 6 airsoft babies out of full container, 5,000 in here. So we're just going to shoot this. Takes 4 AA batteries, by the way, if you want it. Now I'm just going to load it. I'm going to put 3 BBs in. So just slowly start. Actually, I'm just going to put some on my hands. Alright, that's 3. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. No. Where did it? Oh, okay. It's right there. So I got the airsoft babies inside. Shake it, as you can hear. And now let's shoot it. So let's take the camera. Okay. And just so I'm gonna shoot it and shoot it at the trampoline. Okay, so it's out. Okay, so that is my very first airsoft gun. I do try to, when I shoot them, I do try to go over there where I shot them and collect some BBs just to store them, just to save. So I'm looking, found one right here. This one. Alright. Found one. I think that's all we're gonna find today, folks. Yeah, that's all we're gonna find. Dang it, I dropped that. Oh, okay, I found it. Yeah. So that's all we're gonna find today. So, and I dropped it again. What the heck? Okay, yeah, we found 0. Found 1. Found the same again, but now we found 0. So, hope you like that video. I will be doing more airsoft videos. I am gonna change the picture of my channel